first time.
Roadways. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 3.
So guys, like this video and subscribe, and be safe, Colorado. Alright, bye.